Alright, little after video for the repair job. There's the fan I just ordered off eBay. It's in there spinning along like a champ. I love Yaesu products. I really do. They're the king of this stuff. These are the first guys that actually figured out how to do sideband and put it in a radio. Yeah, they've got a lot of firsts. That was a first. Oh, one other thing, okay? Here, this radio right here, that's another first. That's the FT-101E. That is an 80 through 6 meter and 440 and 2 meter and all of it in one box. That's the first box that had 160 through 440 in it, and it's a satellite operator, and I'm going to try some stuff out like that, do some videos on it, but that's what's up. Now that, and then there's this one. There's the Shack in the Box with all the other stuff and bells and whistles, the 991A. This is all the other radios together into one box, basically. Yaesu. So that's what's up. And there's Sea Dog with his little Firebird antenna selector, a nice MFJ 891. That is a good blue color. Those meters, those lights change. They go from lemonade color down to almost nothing. Let me show you. All right, where is it? There. Lemonade color on that one, and then they reduce down to the nice blue tone right there, like that, and like that, and then they reduce down to crap. There's almost no light on that thing. Look at that. There's the light. There's the light blue. There's the lemonade. And then the nice blue that I've actually thought I bought. Right there. That's what's up. Alright guys, N8XLQ at the N8XLQ Shack. I'm going to eat a little bit of hamburger and see what I can do about getting some perks on the air. And yeah, we're still working on that over there. Pretty soon. N8XLQ. Bye-bye.